Okay, students, good morning to all. So, first we will discuss in the question paper, earlier question paper. Right. Question number 136, students. Match the following combinations. Book lengths are the respiratory organs in. Book lengths are the respiratory organs. We discussed already example, yes, students. Book lengths are respiratory organs in scorpion. Right? Book gills.
Rhiphosaura.
Book gills are the respiratory organs in the
Limulus.
limulus, king crab, and antennary glands in
Cockroach.
Pelimon, tracheal system in the cockroach. Pelimon means prawn. Pelimon means prawn. So tracheal system in the cockroach. Okay, students. So 1D and 2C and 3A and 4B.
B.
Option
3, sir.
Option number 3. Right. Next question number 137, students. Feature of anaerobic respiration is occurs in presence of oxygen, complete breakdown of organic molecules, less yield of energy, and carbon dioxide not liberated.
Option 3, sir. Less yield of energy.
So lack of oxygen, the respiration is called anaerobic respiration. So energy is releases more or less, students, in anaerobic respiration. So very less yield of energy.
Less energy, sir.
Right. Option number 3. Next question number 138, students. Match the following with correct combinations. Sponges. Is there any specialized respiratory organs in sponges, students?
No, sir.
No, sir.
How the respiration takes place?
To the body surface.
Body surface.
Entire body surface. So what about in earthworm?
Cuticle, sir.
Moist cuticle, that is what type of respiration, students? Cutaneous.
Moist cuticle, sir.
Cutaneous respiration.
Type of respiration is cutaneous. Good. So in insects, what type of respiratory organs? Terrestrial,
Tracheal tubes.
tracheal tubes, and aquatic arthropods. Aquatic arthropods are gills. Are the respiratory organs. So sponges, entire body surface. 1, 2. So A is 2. Only one option is there. A is 2 means that is option number 3. Next, students, question number 139. Book lungs are respiratory structures in. Just now we discussed it. Scorpions belongs to
Arachnida.
arachnids. Spiders also.
Arachnida. Option 1.
Arachnida. Yes. Option 1. Next one, students. Question number 140. Match the following with correct combinations. Larynx, trachea, alveoli, and epiglottis. Larynx. Students, larynx is called what type?
Voice box.
Voice box. So what about trachea? Trachea is also called
Windpipe.
windpipe. Alveoli.
Air sacs.
Air sac.
Number of air sacs presented in the region of lungs. Air sacs. Next one, epiglottis. Epiglottis, lid. Cap of what? Glottis means larynx. Lid of larynx. So larynx voice box A3. A3 and B4. Next.
Fourth option,
Air
sir.
sac.
And D1. Option number 4. Right. Next question, students. Question number 141. Which are the following gases exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide occurs through the entire body surface? Sponges, flatworms, and cylinderates given. All of this given.
Option for all of
All
them.
of this, sir.
Is there any specialized respiratory organs? No.
No, sir.
Answer, students. Answer is all of this. Right, students? Okay, next one. Glottis is a passage for food, air, both, and none of this. What is answer?
Air.
Air, sir.
Students, glottis means the first part of larynx. Larynx, air only enters, food cannot enter. So, air is the larynx. Okay? Right. The mode of, next question number 143. The mode of respiration of the rabbit is?
Pulmonary.
Rabbit is mammal. What are the respiratory organs, students?
Lungs, sir.
Lungs, terrestrial lungs. So what is the type of respiration, students? Type of respiration is pulmonary respiration. Question number 144. In aquatic arthropods, gaseous exchange occurs through. Aquatic arthropoda, the gaseous exchange takes place through, already we discussed, gills. Option number 2. Question number 145. Select the correct option with regarding the mode of respiration in various animals. Gills, crustaceans given. Crustacean means what? Prawns, crabs, those are all belongs to crustacea. So all are aquatic or terrestrial, students. Crabs and prawns are crabs, prawns. Students, am I audible?
Aquatic, sir.
Aquatic, right?
Aquatic, sir.
The next one, skin insects given, that is wrong. Skin what? Insects what? Tracheal system.
Trachea.
So Annelida trachea given, no wrong. Moist cuticle, arachnida lungs given, book lungs. So what is correct answer, students? Gills, crustacean. Option number 1 correct. Next one. How many organisms in the list given below respires through gills? Sponges, coelentrates, flatworms, aquatic arthropoda, molluscan, fishes, tadpoles, reptiles, eels, and mammals. In that, how many organisms respires through the gills? Sponges, gills are present, students? Wrong. Coelenterata, gills are there? Wrong. Flatworms, is there any gills? Wrong. Arthropoda, gills are present.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Molluscans, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fishes, gills are
Yes.
present. Tadpoles, yes,
Yes,
gills
sir.
are present. So arthropoda, molluscan, fishes, and tadpoles. How many students? Only 4. Aves, reptiles, and mammals do not have any type of gills. Okay, option number 4. How many? Asked 4 only. 4th option. Question number 147. Mark the incorrectly matched pair in respect of respiration of certain animals. Parapodia, Nereis. Correct. Nereis consists with what? Parapodia presented or not, students? Nereis.
Present, sir.
Which phylum?
Present, sir. Annelida.
Annelida. Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Annelida.
Ascaris muscular phalanx given. Ascaris which phylum, students? Ask element is muscular phalanx is
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Peritima, closed circulation given. In earthworm, what type of circulation?
Annelida.
Closed only, sir.
Circulation. Book gills, insects given. Insects consist with book gills or tracheal system.
Tracheal system, sir.
Tracheal
Which
system.
option correct, students?
4th option.
4th option. Option correct. Incorrect.
Close
ma'am.
only, sir.
Okay. Question number 148, students. The primary site for gaseous exchange of respiratory gases are where
Alveoli.
gaseous exchange takes place.
Alveoli.
Alveoli
Alveoli.
of lungs. Right. Next one. The special vascularized structures in aquatic organisms are buccopharynx, gills, lungs, and none of the above.
Gills.
Means gills only. Those are gills, special vascularized structures. In case terrestrial organisms, vascularized bags means lungs.
Lungs.
Lung.
Lungs. Okay. Right. Question number 150, students. The common characteristics found in centipede, cockroach, and crab. First, you need to identify these animals belongs to which phylum. Centipede belongs to which phylum, students?
Insect, sir.
Centipodes are arthropoda. Cockroach,
Arthropoda.
crabs are.
Arthropoda.
So, what are the common characters for arthropoda? Yes, students, in arthropoda?
Jointed legs and
Jointed legs and chitinous exoskeleton.
Chitinous exoskeleton, jointed appendages, and chitinous exoskeleton.
Joint.
Option number 2. And a chitinous exoskeleton. Next question, question number 151. Respiratory organs in living fossil of arthropoda is. Living fossil in what, students? Which arthropoda?
Limulus.
So what is the respiratory organs? Book gills.
Book gills.
Book gills are respiratory organs. We already discussed it second time. Next question number 152. The most important respiratory organ of the frog is mostly means skin. Frog exhibits buccopharyngeal cavity also, pulmonary respiration lungs, gills also in tadpole, mostly means skin. Through skin, what type of respiration, students?
Cutaneous.
Cutaneous respiration. During hibernation and estivation, frog exhibits what type of respiration?
Cutaneous only, sir.
During hibernation and estivation also cutaneous, through skin. Good, Davai. Okay, question number 153. Following are the animal and their kind of respiratory organs. The correct place are silverfish, trachea. Silverfish means what? It's arthropoda. Silverfish, arthropoda. Arthropoda insect. Insects means trachea is present or not? Yes. Next to students, scorpion bucculans. Correct or not? Is it correct, scorpion bucculans?
yes, sir, correct.
Yes, sir, correct.
Scorpion bucculans correct. Sea squirt pharyngeal gills. Sea squirt means urochordata. Urochordate organism. Sea squirt pharyngeal gill seeds, that is also correct. Dolphin skin given. Is it correct, students? Fourth option.
No, sir.
Fourth combination. Dolphins are belongs to which group?
Mammals.
Mammals. Mammals, what are the
Mammals.
respiratory organs?
Lungs.
Lungs.
So dolphin skin wrong. A, B, C correct. Fourth D is wrong. So option
Option 2.
option number 2, right?
Option 2. ABC.
In frog, cutaneous respiration takes place. In water, on land, in hibernation, always. All. Right, students? Correct. In water also, dissolved oxygen. Land, direct atmospheric air dissolves in moist cuticle. During hibernation also, yes, obviously. During hibernation, estivation, cutaneous respiration. All of this correct. Option number 4. Next question number 155.
So then when it will use lungs, sir?
Only land. Lungs exclusively land. Terrestrial.
So then hibernation is the answer, no, sir?
Only land. Only land. During hibernation, what type? During hibernation, skin. So that only in the NCERT textbook, the statement given clearly, hibernation and estivation, skin is the respiratory organs. Skin, respiratory organs, during water also, and terrestrial also, hibernation also, estivation also, 99% skin only. Only 1% lungs, pulmonary respiration. That is also only land. Understood or not? Yes, students? Somebody asked a question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. The process of respiration generally results in intake of oxygen, liberation of carbon dioxide, liberation of energy. The process of respiration generally results in, yes, students?
Liberation
Four, sir.
of energy.
Liberation of energy.
Liberation of energy.
Finally, liberation of energy. Next question number 156. Inspiration of man occurs when intrapulmonary pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure, higher than atmospheric pressure, less than atmospheric pressure. Less than or higher than?
Less than, sir.
Less than atmospheric pressure.
Less than atmospheric pressure.
External more. So more to high to low. The air will move. So less than atmospheric pressure, correct. Option number 3, correct. Next question, students. Question number 157. Not correct with explanation is passive process. Not correct with expiration is passive process, reduced thoracic volume, and ribs are lift up, external intercostal muscles relaxed. Yes, students. We already discussed during contraction process. During inspiration process, diaphragm contraction, EICM contraction, both are also contraction. Then ribs and sternum raised up, comes forward in inspiration. But what given question? Not correct with expiration. In expiration, ribs are lifted up. Is it correct, students? Third statement.
No, sir.
Wrong, sir.
Wrong. So that option number 3, correct option. Next question, students. Question number 158. True with reference to expiration is increase in pulmonary volume, decrease intrapulmonary pressure. Intrapulmonary pressure decreases or increases, students, in expiration? Intrapulmonary
Increases,
pressure
Increases, sir.
Increases.
Increases, sir.
So first option
Increases,
wrong. Go through the second option, students. Increase in pulmonary volume, increases in intrapulmonary volume. Pulmonary pressure, correct or not? Pulmonary volume increases given. Does pulmonary volume increases in expiration?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Decreases.
Decreases.
Decreases. So that is wrong. Next one. Third one. Decrease in thoracic cavity, thoracic volume, decreases intrapulmonary pressure given. Intrapulmonary pressure is increases. So third statement also wrong. Both through the fourth statement, students. Decrease in thoracic volume slightly increases the intrapulmonary pressure. By the thoracic volume is decreases, increasing of pulmonary pressure. Option number fourth option correct. During expiration is our right. Next question number 159. Identify the sequence of steps involved during inspiration in humans. What are the sequence? We discussed already 1 to 6 or 7 points. Right. First one, A given. Volume of thoracic cavity increases. B, contraction of external intercostal muscles moves the rib cage forward. C, diaphragm becomes flat. D, thoracic cavity expand, drawing air into lungs. First step, what takes place, students, among these steps? Contraction of
diaphragm become flat.
in the inspiration, what takes place first? Contraction of diaphragm means dome-shaped diaphragm become flat.
Becomes flat.
That is first one. What is first one? C is first one. Next, second one. Give alert numbers to that statements. By the contraction of diaphragm, what takes place, students?
Intercostal muscles lift up the ribs.
Intercostal muscles.
Contraction of external intercostal muscles.
Contraction of external intercostal muscles moves the rib cage forward. Right? By these two process, what happens? Volume of
thoracic cavity increases.
Increases. Good. So finally, thoracic cavity expands. The atmospheric air withdrawn
Air into inside the lungs.
So first C, second B, third A,
D.
C, B, A, D. Option? Yes, students, option?
Option A, sir.
1, sir.
Option number 1. Next one. Question number 160. Inspiration is initiated by the contraction of external intercostal muscle, internal intercostal muscles, diaphragm, and both 1 and 3. What is answer, students? Initiated. First,
Diaphragm. Diaphragm.
in mechanism of breathing, first step, what written, students? Contraction of diaphragm.
Diaphragm.
Contraction of diaphragm initiated by. Question number 161, students. The pressure
So one-
between the lungs and atmosphere is generated by. Pressure gradient means what, students? Gradient.
Difference.
Different.
Difference.
Pressure difference. Pressure difference between the lungs and atmosphere is generated by diaphragm, external intercostal muscles, and interintercostal muscles, ribs. What are can be calculated, can be counted in normal respiration? First one, diaphragm. Next one,
Ribs and external intercostal.
next, ribs. Yes, students, A, B, and D only.
Option 3, sir.
Option number 3.
So option 4 is given, sir. In key answers, option 4 is given.
Option 4 given.
Yes, sir.
In question, what mentioned? Any normal mentioned? Normal inspiration mentioned? No.
No, sir.
If normal not mentioned, then go for option number 4. Correct. Why? Because in normal only this clauses. In forced only.
Intercostal.
Sir, in 160 also I given fourth option, sir.
Yes, sir. 160 also.
Fourth option.
160.
So fourth option is given.
164th option given. Inspiration is initiated by, started by the contraction of the diaphragm. First step you written, mechanism of breathing. So that is diaphragm. That is correct. Third option. Okay, students?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Sir, key will change, sir.
Yes. Next, question number 162, students. The contraction of muscles lifts up the ribs and the sternum, causing an increase in the volume of thoracic chamber in the dorsoventral axis. Which one, students? External intercostal muscles, internal intercostal muscles, diaphragm, and both 1 and 2. Dorsoventral axis. Dorsoventral axis, which contraction, students?
External intercostal muscles.
EICM.
Option 1, sir.
Intercostal muscles. EICM only. Dorsoventral given means EICM. Right. So next one, question number 163. When one of the following occurs during forceful expiration of man.
Sir, intercostal muscle.
Internal costal muscles contract.
External intercostal muscles contract and internal intercostal muscles contract.
Internal intercostal muscles contraction.
Abdominal muscles.
Internal intercostal muscles.
IICM muscles are going to be contracted.
Option 2, sir.
Option 2, right. Next, question number 164. To blow off a candle, the following muscles of a man are used or required. Blow off a candle means normal expiration or forcible expiration, students?
Forcible expiration.
Forcible.
A forcible expiration, what will help?
Internal intercostal muscles and abdominal.
Internal intercostal muscles and
Abdominal muscles. Internal intercostal muscles and abdominal muscles also.
option 1, sir.
Option number 1. Right, students, question number 165. Muscles that contract during forcible expiration man or which are going to be contracts in forcible expiration.
C and D, sir.
Option
Internal intercostal
C,
muscles
sir. C and
and abdominal muscles are going to be contracts. C and T. Option number 3. During inspiration, the diaphragm
Contracts and flattens.
dome shape and contracts and flattens, expands and shows no changes.
Contracts
and flatten.
During the inspiration, a dome-shaped diaphragm becomes as flat. Okay, students, contracts and flattens. Option number 2. Next, question number 167. Expiration involves relaxation of diaphragm and intercostal muscles, And contraction of diaphragm, intercostal muscles, contraction of muscles of diaphragm, contraction of intercostal muscles. Expiration, contraction of muscles of
Option
diaphragm. Yes, students. Contraction.
Option 1, sir.
Relaxation.
Relaxation, sir.
Relaxation of what? Diaphragm.
Relaxation, sir.
Diaphragm and intercostal muscles.
Diaphragm and intercostal muscles.
Yes, yes. Next question number 169, students. We can increase the strength of inspiration and expiration with the help of additional muscles of which muscles, students? Abdominal muscles.
Abdomen muscles.
Forcible.
So 168 question.
Question number 168. Expiratory muscles contract at the time of
Forced expiration.
deep inspiration, normal inspiration and expiration, forcible expiration, and muscular expansion of lungs. That is at the time of forcible time. At the time of the
Forceful, sir.
So 169 completed. Next question number 170. A person met with an accident and died instantly without any injury to heart, brain, stomach and kidney. Which one of the following will be reason for his death? In some of the accident, the injuries are not takes place at any of vital organs, but in that cases, fatal death cases are takes place. What is the reason? Ingestion got twisted, indigestion, low count of WBC, and puncture to the diaphragm.
Puncture of diaphragm, sir.
Puncture to that.
The thoracic cavity is the airtight chamber. Once a puncture takes place in the diaphragm, then pressure gradient is not created. Whenever pressure gradient is not created, there is no inhalation, there is no exhalation. Without breathing, how much time the person can survive? Yes, students. So what is answer?
Sir, in hospital they will keep oxygen pipe, no sir, that
Oxygen
cylinders.
in.
Sir, they will put oxygen cylinders, no sir, for patients.
They will put oxygen cylinder. Whenever they will put oxygen cylinder, what cases? The person is unable to receive the oxygen, unable to take the breath. But in the case of diaphragm only got punctured, there is no respiration. Process of respiration is going to be stopped.
Sir, if you put oxygen cylinder also, you will die, sir.
Obviously, he will die. Why? Because you will give oxygen. Oxygen will supply. But there is a leak in diaphragm. Pressure gradient
Yes,
is
sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir.
obviously. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Next question number 171. Assertion and reason, students. First one, inspiration in human is an active process and it requires energy for contraction of muscles. Energy releasing process or energy consuming process, students? Respiration.
Consuming, sir.
Energy releasing or consuming?
They're consuming
Consuming.
and releasing both.
Passive process.
Yes. So both are also wrong. Both assertion and reasonings are wrong. Right, students? Next one. Question number 172. Inspiration is initiated by contraction of diaphragm, which increase the volume of thoracic chamber into. Contraction of diaphragm increases the thoracic chamber into dorsolateral,
Anterior, posterior.
anterior, posterior.
Anterior, posterior.
Anterior posterior axis, sir.
2. Question number 173, students. Identify the correct sequence of steps of inspiration of a man. Same, we discussed whatever it is. First one, contraction of
Diaphragm.
diaphragm and external intercostal muscles. What is second one, students? Increases the
Volume.
volume.
Thoracic wall.
When increases the thoracic volume, what increases?
Pulmonary volume.
Also increases. Good.
Increase.
When pulmonary volume increases, then what happens?
Air enters.
Decrease in the
Pressure decreases, sir. Pressure decreases.
Decrease the intrapulmonary pressure. Then pulmonary pressure decreases, then air enters into lungs. Clear, students? So what is first one? C. First one. Next. A. CA. CA combination is option number third. Right. Clear, students? Next one, question number 174. During expiration, diaphragm becomes
Dome shape.
Shape.
Dome shape.
Dome shape.
during expiration. Dome shape or
Dome
flat?
shaped, sir. Dome shaped.
During expiration, flat to dome shape. Question number 175, students. Which of the following sequence is correct to initiate inspiration? In inspiration, same process. What we discussed. First one, what, students? Contraction of
Diaphragm.
diaphragm. First one, 4. With 4 combination, how many options are there?
1.
With 4 combination, how many options are there? Go through the statement. Go through the options. No need to check other options. Okay, students?
And 3.
In a recent question paper, 2020 question paper, like this only given in match the following, there is no confusion in the options. Okay, only one option with one first combination, then that is correct. Like this given, it is very easy to identify, but they should not give like that always. Okay, students? Right. Next one, question number 176. A person suffers from punctures in his chest in an accident without any damages to the lungs. Its effect could be a person suffers from punctures in chest in accident. Puncture means what? Leakage in the chest region. Then what happens? If leakage is there, breathing can occur, students. Is it possible for breathing?
No, sir.
Stoppage of breathing takes place. What given answer? Cessation of breathing. Cessation means stop. Breathing will be stopped. Okay. So option number 4. Next question number 177. Identify the incorrect statement from the given below. Flattening of diaphragm causes entry of air into lungs. Flattening of diaphragm causes entry of air into lungs. At the time of contraction, diaphragm is dome or flat, students?
Dome to flat.
At the time of
Contraction is flat, sir.
At the time of inspiration, at the time of inspiration, diaphragm becomes dome or flat, students?
Dome to
Flat
flat.
shape.
So first one correct. Second option, dorsoventral expansion of thoracic cavity occurs due to contraction of muscles of diaphragm. By the contraction of muscles of diaphragm, dorsoventral or anterior posterior?
Anterior posterior, sir.
By the contraction
Anterior posterior, sir.
anterior posterior or dorsoventral? Anterior posterior.
Anterior
So
posterior.
second option, wrong statement. Second option, that is wrong statement. You need to identify incorrect. 78 students. Pulmonary ventilation is equal to alveolar ventilation. Is it correct, students? Pulmonary ventilation is alveolar ventilation. Alveolar ventilation is more than pulmonary ventilation. And alveolar ventilation is less than pulmonary ventilation. Alveolar ventilation means what? The respiration takes place in the region of alveoli. Gases exchange in alveoli. So that is equal to pulmonary ventilation or more. Where more gases exchanges takes place, students? Is equal to pulmonary ventilation. Option number 1. Next question number 170. The muscles, lips of the rib.
Your video
and
audio is
sternum.
breaking, sir.
Yes, sir. Your video is not
Sir,
clear.
your video and audio is breaking, sir.
Sir, your video and audio
Yes,
is
sir,
breaking.
it's not clear, sir.
No, sir.
Students, now check it.
Your video is not visible, sir.
So now also same problem.
Sir, now your video is only not visible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Students, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students, right. From which question onwards you are not received voice?
Sir, 174.
From 174 onwards.
Yes, sir. From that time it was breaking.
Okay, right, no problem. Question number 174. During expiration, diaphragm becomes flattened, dome-shaped, oblique, and normal.
Dome shaped,
Doom
sir.
shape.
Flat to dome. Next, question number 175. Which of the following sequence is correct to the initiator? Inspiration. First one, what students? First,
of diaphragm.
contraction of diaphragm. Next one.
Contraction of external intercostal muscles.
muscles raises the ribs and sternum. Next one. First contraction of diaphragm. Next one, volume of thoracic cavity, dorsoventral axis.
Yes.
No. Dorsoventral axis given. That is third one. First contraction of diaphragm. Second one, contraction of external costal muscles raises the ribs and sternum. Third one, volume of thoracic cavity in dorsoventral axis. Fourth one, students, intrapulmonary pressure is decreases. Intrapulmonary pressure is decreases. Finally, what? Air rushes into lungs. Atmosphere to lungs.
Yes.
Yes, okay. First one, what type? Diaphragm contraction. First 4 starts with 4. Option number? Yes, students, am I audible? Students, are you receiving my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, right. So, option number, it starts with 4 only. Fourth option means starts with 4. That is only third option is there. Only one option. You can select third option. Right, next one. A person suffers from punctures in his chest in an accident without any damages to the lungs. It effect could be
Cessation of breathing.
stoppage of breathing, cessation of the breathing. Okay. Next, identify the incorrect statement from the given below. First one, flattening of diaphragm causes entry of air into lungs. Is it correct, students?
Correct. Sir.
Line of contraction, what happens? Air entry takes place. Second statement, dorsoventral expiration of thoracic cavity occurs due to contraction of muscles of diaphragm given.
No, sir.
Muscles of what?
Muscles of
EICM.
ICM.
Intercostal muscles. So that is only wrong statement. Option 2 is the wrong statement, correct answer. Next, students, which statement is correct? Pulmonary ventilation is equal to alveolar ventilation. Pulmonary ventilation is less than alveolar ventilation. Alveolar ventilation is more than pulmonary ventilation. And alveolar ventilation is less than pulmonary ventilation. Alveolar is less, pulmonary more. So alveolar ventilation is less than pulmonary ventilation.
Option 4.
Next, students, question number 179. Which of the following statements are incorrect? Correct or incorrect? Correct. Which of the following statements are correct? First statement, the contraction of internal intercostal muscles, lips of the rib and sternum. Is it correct, students? First statement. Contraction of internal intercostal muscles given. Internal
External intercostal muscles.
external, so that's wrong. Second
External
statement,
intercostal muscles.
the RBC transports oxygen only given. RBC transports oxygen only. Is it correct?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Along with oxygen, what carries?
Carbon dioxide, sugar, glucose.
Glucose.
Sugar,
proteins,
glucose,
fats.
carbon dioxide and oxygen only transport, right? Sugar, glucose, those are all what? Plasma, not through the RBC.
Yes, sir. Correct.
They are asking RBC, not blood. Okay. Next one. The thoracic cavity is anatomically an airtight chamber. Is it correct, students?
Correct, sir.
Thoracic cavity, yes, airtight chamber. Option number 3rd correct.
3, sir.
3rd correct. Next one. The movement of air. Last question.
Sir, that last option, sir, how much, sir? Healthy man can inspire approximately how much of air?
Healthy man can inspire approximately 500 ml per minute given. Per minute wrong. That is 6,000 to 8,000. 6,000 to 8,000 ml per minute.
Okay, sir.
For inspiration means 500 ml correct. One inspiration means. Next topic that is actually 6,000 to 8,000 ml, 6 liters per minute.
Yes.
Wrong. Yes. Next question number 180. The movement of air into and out of the lungs is depending upon
Pressure
in the lungs and atmosphere, size of lungs, surface of alveolus, strength of diaphragm. Yes, students, what is
pressure gradient, sir.
pressure gradient is most important in the process of breathing, inspiration and expiration. Pressure difference is the most important. Air always moves from high to low pressure only. The contraction, atmosphere A, and in inhalation, atmosphere A, atmosphere, high pressure, and in lungs, low pressure. And in exhalation, lungs, high pressure, atmosphere, low pressure. Okay, students? Right. So, how many persons got out of out? Out of 45 questions? Nobody? One question wrong? No. 2 questions wrong, students? 2 questions wrong? Murali Swami, 2 questions wrong. Which questions, Murali Swami? Question number, tell me, Murali Swami, 176. Okay, what you written? You are 176. Which answer you written? Okay. Next. Next, which question wrong? Question number 160. What you kept for that? Question number 160. Okay. Right. Only what is wrong? 2 questions wrong. 3 questions wrong, students. Tanisha, 3 wrong. Which questions, Tanisha?
Sir, 176.
Which one, Tanisha?
So 176.
176. Okay.
So in that I marked option A.
First option you kept. Okay, right. Next one.
So, sir, 160 and 160. Sir, 160 and 161.
168.
So 160 and 161.
160 and 161. Right. 160 and 161.
Yes,
What
sir.
was that?
So in 160 I have written diaphragm.
Okay.
So and the other one, A and C I have marked. So option B, 161 I have marked A and C.
For that, no problem. Key will be changed. Okay.
Yes,
That's
sir.
that's not even a mistake. No problem. Next, 3 questions. 4 questions. 4 questions wrong. Students, reduce your mistakes. Yes, read the questions properly before answering. That is the most important in NEET examination. Go through the options also once again. Read carefully, right? Try to understand the question and do the answer. Okay, in next class we will discuss about the respiratory volumes and the capacities. Is 4 mistakes? Shruti, 4. Okay. Right. Okay, students. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.